Hey guys, on the channel today, I'm going to show you how to use the new cover button kit to make your own cover button. My name is Omoyega Oluwatosin, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. You're going to make use of your rivet machine, and I'm going to show you the difference between the old cover button kit and the new cover button kit. You need scraps from your budget. So this is what the old cover button look like. The cover and the mold. When you put your button, the cover button kit inside with the cloth wrap around it and you cover it, all you need is your rivet machine to press against the mold from under, and you have your cover button. And it's always come out very nice, but I think I prefer the new one. What you see me doing is remove the nozzles that came with the rivet machine, and I'm going to show you how to place the old one on the cover button rivet machine, and you pull the strut. So that's how to create the cover button using the old method. Yes, using the old method. Now let's work with the new one. Now this is what the new one look like. Yes, so it comes in three parts. We have the mold itself, we have another one that goes in when the button is inside, and we have the cover. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You need scrap from your garment production. So I'm going to cut a little of this scrap. You don't need too much. I'm just trying to set the camera so that you guys can see what I am trying to do here. Like the old mold, where you put the cover button inside and you cover it with the cover of the mold before you take it to your rivet machine, and you do what, you pull the strut against the cover button. But now I'm going to show you another way that you can do this using the new cover button making machine kit, and this is what it look like. Okay, this is, I'm going to separate the parts, and then I'm going to cut my fabric. Yes, this is what the cover button kits look like, the one that you're going to use to create the buttons. The cover button comes in different sizes, and I'm going to be working with size 36. You can work with any size of your choice. And as you are buying the cover button, you are buying the cover button machines that you can use for that size. Now, working with a cover button of size 36, you're going to get the cover button kit of size 36. So this one is just for size 36. It doesn't work with any other cover button size. So if you want any other size, just get the size that you want. So one cover button size for one cover button making machine or kit. Now I'm just cutting the scrap that we're going to use make this cover button, and I noticed that the scrap was too much. The fabric that I cut out was too much, so I decided to cut a little from it so that it will not be too much. So once I noticed that this was okay, I'm going to put it inside the mold. Yes, the mold of the first set. It comes with three sets. This is the first set. You're going to put it like this and make sure that all the clothes goes in to it. Then you're going to pick the second set to hold the cover, the fabric, and the button itself. You're going to put the cover in like so. Make sure the cover is placed right inside it before you come with the cover button making machine cover, and that's all. Now you're going to pull the strut of the web machine against it from the bottom. Yes, from the bottom, and that's what you should have at the end of the day. It is looking as if I'm using all my strength to pull the strut against the cover button. That's not how it look in the real life. You don't need any strength at all. Just put the strut against it and don't hit it like the way I did. This is what you're going to have at the end of the day. I'm going to repeat the process again so that you people should will have a clearer picture of what I did again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please, the comment section is open. You can leave a comment or make a tutorial request. I ended up making 5 cover buttons. And if you are new to my channel, please support the channel by subscribing, like, and share our videos. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.